In this series of lessons, you'll be creating a real app that you can share with your friends and family. Your app will contain many interactive features that will make your app dynamic. To make your app unique, you can create an app about something that interests you. Before the start of the lesson, you will need to decide on what your app is going to be about. This video will show you all the features that you will build in the series of lessons. You need to think about how you're going to use these features for your topic. Let's first look at Appshed. Appshed is a GUI. This is a graphical user interface that can help you develop your app. This is how you create an app. You need to think of a name for your app. It needs to be short and snappy and relevant to your topic. Have you ever looked at an app in the App Store? If you have, then you'll know the description is what sells the app. Usually you only see the first line before reading more, so this needs to sell your app. Your description needs to tell everyone how interesting your app is and why it's so different to all the other apps in the App Store. You would also need to include a distinctive icon for your app. This is how you create an app, but now let's see what your app will look like when it is finished. Here's an app that I have created. The splash screen will appear as the app is loading. This is the home screen, and at the bottom of the home screen I have the navigation bar. Here I've linked the important pages of my app. These are the features that you're going to build. You're going to have a map with points of interest, a quiz, files that you can download, and a gallery of all the images that you've collected. Let's go back to the home screen. You have a choice of screens. This is what's called a standard screen that puts the items in a list. You can also have an icon screen that displays the icons for each screen. Notice how easily you can move from screen to screen. Each screen can display images, text, or both. It all depends on what the screen is going to display. For example, a photo gallery will only display the images that you've collected. Your app will also need to include a map. With a map, you can pinpoint locations. Which map locations are relevant to your topic? To make your app really interactive, you can include a quiz. This requires a little bit of programming. Appshed uses a blocky programming tool, so if you're familiar with Scratch, then you may not find this bit too difficult. And I save the best bit till last. You can link other websites to your app, including YouTube. What YouTube videos can you find that is relevant to your topic that will make your app stand out from the crowd?